Hey, ho ho, haha. All right, everybody, back again now, and this is back on the Fat e-bike, and in front of me here I have the Bafang Bbshd 1000 watt motor, and all the bits that come with it. There's quite a lot of bits. I'll show you all the bits in a minute. So this is the 120mm version that's going on the Fatbike. I've already taken the old pedals and the spindle thing out of the Fatbike, and that was a bit of a nightmare because I had to use a bar that long to get undo the whatever they're called, the bits that hold this bit in the middle. I don't know, I can't remember what it's called now. Anyway, you know what I mean. But I got them out in the end. So that's ready now. The bike is ready to accept this. So what do you get in the box? Well, I'll tell you what, I'll grab my camera, I'll bring it over here. I wouldn't say you, that's a bit common on this. I'll bring it over here and we'll have a look at what's going on and what I got for my 500 and something quid. So let's have a look. Okay then, what have we got here? We got the Bafang chain ring, and I think that says 46T, it's a 46 tooth chain. It's dished as well, like that. Okay, we got some Bafang wiring, and I think that in there is, I can see a magnet in there, so that's probably a speed sensor of some sort, I reckon, to go on the wheel, possibly. That's what it looks like to me anyway. Could be wrong, but that's what I think is in there. We've got a bag of stuff. What's in the bag of stuff? Let's have a look. Let's open it. It's awful hard to hold the camera and open bags, but I'll give it a go. I did it. Look, I just open that bag out there, make a mess. Looks like we got the bolts to put the chain ring on. That doodah there. This thing to clamp it up. Another bit there that goes on the end of there, I think. So that's all the bits to do this thing here, because I think this goes on there. There's some long bolts to go in here. And then you can see all the wiring coming out of here, like this. All the wiring coming out of there, with all the connectors on the end. So that's that bit there. What else we got? We got the thumb throttle doodah, so that comes with it as well. We got the two arms, look, they come with it. We got a special tool that comes with it for fitting it together, two-sided, look, to sort it out. It comes with a pile of cable ties, which is quite nice. We've got, let's put it over there, we got the two wires that are going to go onto the battery that's come in. We got some stuff in here. Now this is like to make your wires nice and tidy, and also they put a little light in there. I don't know if you can see that there. There's a little light behind the this bubble wrap. So that probably all fits together. My camera work's not very good here, folks. I opted for these magnetic. Let me get that off there. There's the magnets there. In my experience, these don't work very well, but I had a choice of either the crappy levers for mechanical brakes or these. And I've ordered hydraulic brakes, so it was no point me having it was pointless me having the crappy what's called brakes, so I ordered them. That came with it as well. There's a couple more nuts and bolts there for something else, not quite sure what that's for. I'll probably find out when I put it together. And last but not least, they've sent me a special sticker, look. Can you see that special sticker? 36 volts, 240 watts, look. Isn't that fantastic? So I'll be popping that on here somewhere, see? And probably hide that there. Probably hide the 1000 watts, pop that in like that. Nobody's none the wiser, are they? So there we are. That's what you get for your money. So, right, let's go and stick it on the bike. I already put the switch and the display on the bike, so here's the footage from that. Okay, so we've had a good look at the bits here, so let's go and stick them on the bike. Right, okay, you've probably seen this 1,000 times on YouTube, but this goes in this side. I'm assuming it goes that way there, like that, look. So we'll pop that in there like this, right the way through, like, until it goes all the way through like that. And that's supposed to be up on there, touching on there, supposedly. So we'll push all the way through like that, and that's in there like that. Let me just turn the bike around now. So we got this piece here, and it says to put the raised bit inwards. So that goes on there like that, like so. And then you got this ring here that goes on there like that. So that goes on there like that. We won't do it right up yet, we'll just do it up a little bit like that. And then it says, I think it says 50 to 60 Newton meters written on there. But obviously I've got this, so I'll have to use a guessometer. But first of all, need to put these spacer and a long bolt, and they go through there like that. And let me just undo that slightly there, push that in there. That one goes on there like that, in there. And then there's another one, goes behind there like that, in there. And then that long bolt goes through there in that one like that. And we'll do them up a bit, try and get them up as quick as I can. But you've probably seen this done a gazillion times on YouTube. This is the 120mm version. I'm assuming I'm doing it right. These don't come with instructions, but they're online, I think they are. And that's going to go on there like that, and then obviously this is going to go up tight by here. But let's see if we can get this in here now, like that, like that. But obviously I can't go very far because that's in the way, which is a pain in the bum. There we go, right, and push it down. And then after you've done that up tight there, this goes on there, and that says about 25 Newton meters. That goes on there, that is, like that. But I'll tighten everything up now in a minute, off camera. But you can see, it's as easy as that to put on. Now, another thing to make sure is, I always like to put a little bit of copper grease on there, because they can get stuck on. But I put too much on there actually, but that's okay. But always check these pedals before you put them on, because look, that's got left written on that one, and that's got right written on that one, and that's important because I think the threads are different on either side. So make sure you remember that little bit there. Pop that on there like that, and then pop them in there. Let's get the... I could do with a bigger ratchet, to be honest, but we'll give it a go with this now. It should go on. Let me just check if I've put the right one on. Right side, left side. Okay, so you make sure put them on both on the right side. Right, and we've also got this Bafang 46 tooth chain ring, and it's deep dished. Obviously, if you put it this way, look, I don't know if you can see, but it's out way too far. You'll never get a chain that way, so it's got to go that way. It can't be any other way than that way. That's got to be the way to do it. And that comes with 5 little bolts to put on there. And it's got to go in this way. It can't go the other way, surely, because it would be terrible if it went the other way, because it just wouldn't line up, would it? This part of the cog here has got to be close to this back piece of bar going there, as close as possible. So it's got to go on that way. Anyway, I'll do this bit back up. I'll do this up. They'll put the bolts in, and we'll come back when we put the other pedal leg on, or pedal arm, or whatever you want to call it. There you go, it's on. Everything's on there, look. Feels quite nice on there. That's freewheeling back okay. I can't do these bolts up yet because I haven't got the chain on, and when I try and do the bolts up, look, it's just spinning around like that. I could jam it with something, but I'll pop the chain on and I can do them up nice and tight then. But there we are, nice, lovely, isn't it? So obviously we've got to wait for the battery next, but that'll be coming soon, hopefully. And that's as far as I can go so far. So there you go, that's the motor installed on the Fatbike. I'm still waiting for the battery. It hasn't turned up yet. Should be here soon, but they're taking their time because it said 3 to 7 days or whatever it was, but we're on day 8 now, so it's gone past that. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, go on, give it a like, go on. You know you want to, don't you? Or dislike, I don't mind. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Hoo-hoo-y!